it is competitive among the hardware industry. In recent years, construction hardware is affected due to the weak real estate market. Many operators decided to step back. However, instead of stepping back, Thye Home opened 10 branches in Perak. At the initial stage of business, Yu Hongtian was disheartened due to his incapability in business and the hurdles he was facing. He felt downhearted that he was not able to compete with others in the same industry. Hence, he worked hard to look for alternatives for his company. Thye Home emphasizes safe and save. The safe, high-quality and affordable price products enhance the trust of the customers towards Thye Home.
我们进货的时候真的是拆开、切开，这个是我们的执着。我们要看里面到底是什么东西。这个是12块钱，这个是40多块钱的水龙头。这个12块，你不要以为买到便宜货，其实它是用锌合金制作的。锌合金有一个最大的坏处就是说它会风化，所以当水在经过你的水龙头的时候，它风化的那些重金属都会流进你的水，而这个不会。这种锌合金的水龙头，久了你不小心撞到它，它真的会断掉的。铜的是肯定撞不断，而且它怎样氧化都好，它也不会释出有害的物质。
In the future, Thye Home aims to have 15 branches opened in 3 years and nurtures more business partners. Also, Thye Home is bringing in more quality products and aim to be the largest hardware chain store in Perak.